If you had $150,000, would you buy 1 Boston Dynamics Atlas, or 6 Tesla Optimus, or 9 Unitree G1s? Yes, 9. So, why are Unitree robots so cheap? It's not because they are bad quality. They are just super low cost. Today I will break down the cost miracle of Chinese robots and talk about when robots will become as cheap as smartphones. Hi, I'm Scarlett. I've spent 10 years doing business in Shenzhen, the hardware capital of the world. On this channel, I show you how Chinese tech really makes money. The most expensive part of a robot is the hardware. Think of it like the muscles and bones in your body. A few years ago, many key parts had to be imported from Japan, and they were very expensive. But now, 95% of the core parts are made in China. Why? Because lots of robot parts like motors and sensors are the same as the ones in electric cars. China makes tons of electric cars, so those parts get cheaper and cheaper. Even Elon Musk's Optimus robot gets parts from many Chinese suppliers. But Unitree has other cost secrets. First, they make most of their core parts in-house. Making your own meals is always cheaper than eating out, right? What's crazier is, they didn't start from zero. Before making Humanoids, Unitree was already selling tens of thousands of robot dogs every year. As anyone in business knows, the more you sell, the cheaper it becomes to make. The robot dogs and humanoid robots share a lot of the same parts. Imagine how low their cost can go. So here's the question: how cheap could robots become? Think about it. The first brick-sized mobile phones cost tens of thousands of dollars. Now, you can buy a smartphone for a few $100s. Humanoid robots follow the same path. Once they sell in huge numbers, the price will crash down. Some experts believe that by 2030 to 2035, humanoid robots could cost only $1,000 to $2,000. At that price, would you buy one? But hey, buying a robot isn't just about the price. It has to be really useful too. In the next video, we will talk about what robots can actually do. I'm Scarlett. Follow me to understand Chinese manufacturing and smart business. See you in the next video.